How to care for a Laperm cat. The Laperm breed has a distinctive coat of curly, wavy hair and a beautiful plumed tail. With long legs and a long neck, this breed is quite athletic. It is highly affectionate and will often seek attention from family members. The colors of this breed are wide-ranging, which relates to its history as a barn cat. To care for your Laperm, you will need to give it opportunities for exercise, care for its wavy coat and keep an eye on its weight and overall health. Method 1. Feeding your cat. Give them quality food. Feed your Laperm the best cat food you can afford. Ideally, you should consult your veterinarian to ensure your cat receives a balanced diet. Select a high-quality canned or dry food. Pick cat foods that contain large amounts of animal protein and align with your cat's life stage. Avoid cat foods labeled with a meat flavor, which indicates the food contains only trace amounts of the advertised meat. It's a good idea to talk to your veterinarian to determine the ideal cat food for your cat. Dry food is often more economical, and helps with keeping your cat's teeth clean. One option is to feed your cat a mix of dry and wet food, which offers the hydration benefits of wet food with the dental benefits of dry food. Keep an eye on their weight. Feed your Laperm cat a consistent and moderate diet, once or twice per day. Ask your veterinarian about an appropriate amount of food to give them. You should feed them a healthy amount of food and keep an eye on their weight. The average weight for Laperm cats is between 8 and 12 pounds, 3.5 to 5.5 kgs. Males are bigger than females. Your cat should have little or no belly fat, and you should be able to feel, but not see, your cat's ribs. If you think your Laperm cat is underweight or overweight, have your veterinarian perform a body condition analysis. Make sure they have access to clean drinking water. You should regularly refresh their bowl of drinking water. If it looks dirty, you should empty it and pour some fresh water for them. Method 2. Maintaining health and fitness. Give them enough exercise. The Laperm breed has origins in farmhouses and barns, so it was often an outdoors cat. Typically, it is quite active and requires regular exercise. If you live in the city, you should consider taking it for daily walks. If you have an interior courtyard or enclosed outdoor area, you could let it play outside for periods of the day. Letting your cat roam around outside without supervision can be dangerous. Vehicles, other animals, and toxic substances all pose safety threats. Give them toys to play with. To ensure your cat gets plenty of exercise, you might consider giving the cat plenty of toys to use in the house, such as scratching pads and towers. There are plenty of interactive toys to choose from. Try chaser toys, which give your cat the opportunity to chase small balls around a track. A mouse toy will move around the house on its own. It looks like a real mouse, so your Laperm will chase it while you are at work. Use the cat charmer, which your cat will dance around for fun. Take them to the veterinarian for regular checkups. The Laperm is generally a hardy cat. There are no known diseases associated with this breed. However, like any cat, you will need to make sure it gets annual vaccinations, dental checkups and deworming. Talk to your veterinarian to determine what vaccinations your cat needs. Often, vaccines will be given in multiple doses over time. Keep the kitty litter clean. Laperm cats are very particular about the cleanliness of their bathrooms. So, you should regularly clean their kitty litter. Use a scooper to take out any clumps and then add some fresh litter. The frequency of cleaning will depend on whether you have 1 or 2 litter boxes in the house, as well as how often each of them are used. Try replacing it every other day. Twice a week is the minimum. Method 3. Grooming your cat. Brush their curly hair at least once per week. Use a comb with revolving teeth, which are better suited to the curly hair of this breed. Comb your cat's coat at least once per week, but more frequently if your cat has a longer coat. If you have a long-haired Laperm cat, you can comb it 3 times a week. The cat may even request a comb, since it loves the affection. You can spray some water mist on the coat to keep it looking fresh. Regular brushing will reduce shedding, although this breed does not shed too much. Give your Laperm a bath. Cats with curly coats like the Laperm are prone to getting greasy skin. 15. This issue can be resolved with regular bathing. Place a non-skid surface on the bottom of the bathtub, which should help your cat feel a bit more comfortable. Then, fill the tub or sink with lukewarm water. Gently bathe your cat. Dry the coat with a clean towel and then let it air dry. You should avoid using a hairdryer to dry the coat, since it will result in frizzy hair. Trim their nails weekly. Declawing your cat is highly discouraged. Instead, you should trim its nails weekly. Hold your cat on your lap in a quiet room. Massage each toe pad until the nail extends, then snip only the white part of the nail with cat nail clippers. Cut only one nail at a time. Your cat may be skittish at first. If this is the case, you should spend time getting your cat used to the sound of the clippers and the feeling of having its paws massaged. Give your cat a treat as a reward for a successful session. If you are having trouble trimming your cat's nails by yourself, get help from your vet or groomer. Brush their teeth. You should brush your cat's teeth at least once per week, but preferably every day. Use a cat toothbrush and toothpaste, which doesn't require rinsing. By keeping your cat's teeth clean, you can prevent periodontal disease. Do not use human toothpaste to clean your cat's teeth. The fluoride can harm your cat. Remove discharge from their eyes. Use a damp cloth to wipe out any discharge from the corner of their eyes. In case there is an infection, you should use a separate cloth for each eye. Clean the ears once per week. Start by taking a look to see if they are dirty. If it looks like they need a cleaning, use a mixture of half cider vinegar and half warm water. Wet a clean cloth with this cleaning solution and wipe out their ears. You should avoid using cotton swabs, which can damage the interior of a cat's ears.